Hello, I am Elena Gonzalez and I am going to show you how to draw one of these logos on the app Procreate. First of all, we have to enter the app Procreate and create a new canvas, as we can see here. To create our first logo, we have to add a photo of a coconut. To do this, we have to click on this icon right here and click where it says Insert a photo. Then we just choose the photo we would like to use. Once you've got the photo, you have to create a new layer clicking on this icon. Then you just have to hit the plus button. Now you're going to go into the brush section, click on inking and choose Studio Pen. Now on the last layer, you are going to go over the image using the Studio Pen in a size 3 to 4. For example, here I have already gone over the parasol and the flower. Now that we have that, it's time to start coloring in. We will have to click on this button here. As we can see here, I have already created a palette with the colors we will use. Let's start coloring. First of all, we're going to color the coconut brown. In the end, it will look something like this. Now we're going to insert the image of this font called Tropical Vibe and create another layer. On that layer, we will start going over the letters of the image. You will have to make the brush a little bit smaller. Now, using this icon, you are going to select the letter and then using this icon you are going to move it. I have put it just below the coconut. Now repeat these steps with the rest of the letters. Now we are going to create another layer to draw the word music. Now, in that layer, repeat the steps for the previous word, but with the word music. Now what we are going to do is create a new layer and write the word festival in normal handwriting. Now we are going to color in the letters of the logo. First of all, you want to make sure you are on the layer of the word. Then choose a color and by dragging it onto the letter, color it in. Now go on to the layer where the word music is and color the letters in with the color yellow. Finally, delete the layers where the images are. And merge the rest of the layers together, pinching with the two fingers and joining them. Finally, there you would have your Bahia Music Festival logo.